Alright guys, so as you can see, we got the lights set up. We still got a little more to do, but yeah, we're gonna run the lights around different areas. Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing with your best friend Scott. So today we are checking out these smart Wi-Fi Bluetooth fairy lights. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with me, you guys know I love RGB lights, LED lights, colored lights. I absolutely love them. We're gonna go over a couple things here, and then I'm gonna install them, show you guys what they look like as you turn them on. So you can control the lights with an app or a remote control, IP65 waterproof, USB plug, tune color changing, music mode, timer setting, and I'm sure that is just a couple of the features. So let's go ahead and see in here. So they got little connectors. So let's see, yeah, so this allows you to put it on the wall. Okay, so these are a little different. So you're gonna use these to mount them on the wall or wherever you're mounting. And then, because if you guys are familiar with these string lights, normally they have tape on it, and then you just stick it. Well, this actually just has these little brackets that you stick them on. So either way works. You definitely get a lot. So this is definitely going to work out good for our do-it-yourself project. We're gonna go ahead. This is the plug. So you plug this into your wall, and then there is a USB power cable. So you plug this USB into this outlet. You plug this into your wall. This gets plugged into your kind of like a little control box. So on this control box, you have on and off. You have speed and color and demo mode. You just plug that into your control box. This gets plugged into your lights just like that, and you are ready to go. Now, I am kind of curious on something here. I'm curious if, let's say we take this off. What if we have a power bank? Okay, so it's probably not an, oh, wait. The remote actually works. Okay, guys, this is awesome. You can use a solar power bank. A solar power bank with this light setup. Look at this. This is awesome, guys. So you don't have to have it plugged into an outlet. So if you want to, if you want to take this outside and you don't have any outlets, you guys can use a solar power bank. That is awesome. You got different modes. Obviously, we're gonna show you all the color at nighttime installed. This is impressive. Wow, the lights are beautiful too. I know you guys can't see the lights, so I'm not going to waste your time anymore. If you want to add the app, they give you the manual. They show you how to add the app. We're going to go ahead and install them because I'm pretty excited. I want to get them installed. I can't believe they actually work. Alright guys, so we're setting our line going up over throughout here. As you guys can see, we got a custom office here, and we're still working on making this better. So I'm looping this around. Yeah, so stay tuned. The brackets that they give are very easy to use. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got the lights set up. We still got a little more to do, but yeah, we're gonna run the lights around different areas. Still got all that light left to use. We got it hooked up to our phone. So lots of modes you can do, a lot of things you can do. Stay tuned, guys. Yeah, so overall the lights work great. I'm super happy with them.